everyone, I am Navya, an undergraduate student, and in this vlog I'll show you all the shops to consider while buying room decoration and essentials. Of course, my first stop had to be Ikea. There's nothing that you cannot possibly find at Ikea. From bedding to your kitchen, you are sorted. Ikea is one stop, have it all kind of a place. Like you can see in the clips, I have tried my best to capture everything that you get at Ikea, but of course you need a trip to Ikea to know everything about it. You can see the pillows, the beddings, the bed sheets. I have captured the room area in this part. Then it'll come to lamps, yes. The lighting, you're sorted for your study table as well. Cords, I cannot stress enough on the cords. You need them if you do not have an outlet right next to your bed, because I know that's something that I wanted. Hangers, bins, towels, everything that you need, it is all sorted. Now coming to the fun part, I know some of you might want all these fairy lights for your aesthetic vibes, so IKEA has got you covered. Vases, flowers, pots, plants, from artificial to real, you have got a great variety here, and they are relatively cheaper than other places. Okay, next up is Primark. As you all might know that Primark is famous for its clothes because they are really cheap and they are never out of style. But apart from that, Primark also has its home section where you can find duvets, your duvet covers, pillows, pillow covers, some of the decoration items as well. They have candles, they have mugs, glasses, some of the cutlery is also present there, and they have cute little fuzzy cozy blankets. Storage options are endless. You can find all these baskets for you to put all your stuff. Mind you, I have tried my best to insert all the things that are cheap at Primark comparatively to other places, so just keep that in mind. They have water bottles, they have laundry baskets. I don't know what IKEA and Primark don't have. They both have such a great variety. You should go and check it out. Primark also has some of the stationery. My next stop is Marks and Spencer's home. Yes, you may find Marks and Spencer expensive, but some of the items in Marks and Spencer's home is relatively cheaper. For example, these kitchen utensils, the knives, the cutlery, they are relatively cheaper than other places. This is an example of the mug. It's just for £6. It's a huge coffee mug. Pillows, I'm sure they'll be really good quality. The next stop is Maxx, and this is another place where you can get everything sorted, from clothes to your kitchen items to your stationeries to all the aesthetic things, from mugs, bottles, your flasks. It's a plethora of things in there. Maxx again has all the bath rugs, mats, towels, pillows. It also has bed sheets, bed covers, duvet covers, pillow cases, a lot of things. Then you can also organize your study table by buying all these organizers, and it'll get your files, papers and stationery sorted. Some of the Maxx's also have things from all around the world. You can also go check it out, and they have perfumes, footwear, beauty items, so you can buy your shampoos and your daily essentials from here as well by looking at the prices. They also have electronics which might catch your eye. I'm sure you'll love all these places. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get your room sorted soon.